You won't always get the apology you're owed. You won't always get the closure you need. You won't always be felt and understood when it comes to your feelings. How you feel is valid, but sometimes people don't understand. They hurt you even if the proof is right in front of them. They will deny it because they don't view it the same as you, and that's okay. You don't need an apology or closure from someone who can't admit to the pain they caused you. You will heal and grow regardless. Be patient. Embody how you feel because it's real. And don't let their manipulation change that.